Welcome everyone to Project Protein. I'm Jason Catalano, and on this channel we're all about a high protein diet. For this video we'll be going over the Harry Potter #1, or a banana sweet cream butterscotch protein smoothie. Okay, so just give a little bit of an overview for this protein smoothie. It's a breakfast style smoothie. It's named after Harry Potter. It's kind of the base that I would think for him, kind of in honor of Harry Potter. And for him, it's basically a pretty simple banana and cream style of protein smoothie with a little bit of butterscotch, which, you know, it just kind of gives a little more flavor. Main thing you're gonna get in this one is the banana here, which is good potassium, good for post-workout, helps with muscle recovery, good amount of fiber in it. Just overall, very, very basic, sweeter style fruit. You're also gonna get some of the creamers here. So coffee meat specifically gives out a really, really good thickness, and then it gives a really full cream flavor. And then the sweet cream here is the one that really kind of ups the sweetness to make this not as dull as a banana cream, so it has a little bit of extra sweetness to it. And then last, the kind of kicker, this one that I like to think makes it kind of a Harry Potter style, is the Butterscotch Jello here, so kind of like Butterbeer. The butterscotch is basically a browned butter, caramel. Yeah, it's really, really good. And then a little bit of molasses flavor all within this, so it does give that little extra hint of flavor to the smoothie. And overall, I think you guys are gonna like this banana and cream style smoothie, and with that, let's make it. Okay, so first thing I'm getting on the flavors is definitely banana is definitely kind of the main flavor, kind of a sweeter style banana from the sweet cream, but it's rich. It's definitely something that I'd expect out of 1950s diner, like a banana milkshake. Like, it feels very rich and decadent with the banana flavor, and that's definitely the creamers coming in to really bring out the fullness of the banana. And a little bit of the sweetness from the sweet cream definitely elevates it a little bit more. It's not just this kind of basic banana, basic fullness from the cream. The sweetness definitely makes this, I think, a little more enjoyable probably for the average person. And that's definitely the first things I'm getting, is a really rich banana with, you know, the cream, the banana and the cream really come together really good. But what I really like about this particular smoothie recipe is the butterscotch jello. I do think you get some of that butterscotch, molasses, brown butter, caramel. Some of those flavors are definitely swirling around to make it not just too basic. You know, kind of like Harry Potter, he's very, very basic in a lot of ways all throughout the series. Average guy, average everything. But the butterscotch, I think, gives it that just a tiny bit of complexity to where you kind of say, there's a little something more there. There's a little something extra in terms of the flavors. But still, the flavors on the butterscotch are not crazy. They're very, very normal. And overall, as a banana and cream style smoothie, you can drink this one anytime, and those flavors are really coming full effect. And with that, I definitely think you guys should try this one for your everyday protein smoothies. Thanks for staying tuned all the way to the end of the video. I definitely appreciate it. And if you can go ahead and smash the subscribe button, I would definitely appreciate it. You get more recipes like this. And if you can leave your thoughts in the comments down below. What would you change about this recipe? What do you think a Harry Potter style smoothie should look like? And any other type of videos you want to see me make, I'm going to go ahead and make them for you guys. Thanks, I definitely appreciate it.